Oo. Nalulog ka na. All the memories of Dobby and her are fun memories, of course. Exactly.
Loli and I, we celebrate the same birthday month.
So, kailan ang birthday magta-Loli?
Usually, we celebrate our birthdays together.
Together.
This year,
When was the last time you celebrated together?
that was 2 years ago.
Where? Where was that?
It was Bani Hotel. Yes. Manila Hotel.
And then?
But this year, she planned to celebrate Golden New Year outside of the country. Why don't we request everyone to sing first birthday song for us?
Everyone! Let's all stand! Because we're celebrating. We have two,
And there was celebrating birthday, of course. Let's sing a birthday song
yeah,
also
let's
for our
all stand
different
as we celebrate life.
Ayan.
We have two birthday celebrant here in front of
Celebrators,
us,
of course.
and we have Tita Loli and Bobby.
Bobby, of course. Ayan. May birthday song pa
So you guys are celebrating
Ayan,
Loli
meron
this
pa?
year.
Birthday song? Birthday song? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a birthday also of Ate Loli.
Tano!
Yan, secret. Tomorrow.
Hindi, Tita Loli, salubong ito, salubong.
Salubog, happy birthday, play!
Play mo.
Wait! Relax! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, of course. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. And now the kuratsa.
Staring! Tita
Well,
Loli,
guys,
and of course we have our very own
Basil
Basil.
and
Tita Loli.
Ayan. The kuratsa ngayon. Hawakan mo si Basil, hawakan ko sa Loli. Ayan. I miss this.
Basil!
I miss this moment.
Basil! Dinig ka!
Okay. Now,
So this is the
team, of course, for those who didn't understand necessarily what is Kuracha all about, this is a famous dance of Samar. Oh, when everybody gets married or somebody's like fundraising, just really fundraising. Okay, let's do fundraising, why not? Can I request one of the waiters to please come over and ask for panyulito. How do you call panyulito?
Wait, ito?
Panyulito. Handkerchief. Okay, come here. Ayan. Okay, ready na? Ladies and gentlemen.
Please give it up for, of course, our very own, who's celebrating her birthday. 50th birthday tomorrow. Tita Loli, and we have Basil!
And Tita Loli, go!
lokal. Panguli.
Dahil kulang pa kita. Uy, mag-istorya kita, huy, ano, kulang pa.
Beer pa.
Ding! Kulang pa. Isa pa ako kuratsa. Puta, reverse ito.
And you only witness Basil and Tita Loli for Coracha. But we haven't witnessed of course ng Coracha. Ang na-witness po natin si Basil tsaka si Tita Loli ng Coracha. Medyo marami rin yung nalaglag. Pero pag si Bombi ang nag-Coracha, mas marami yan. Bombi! Mag-Coracha, isa lang ha?